Hi, you guys. I'm going to sing some high notes for you. But before we get into the high notes, it seems like everybody in the Finger Lakes, Geneva, Ithaca, Syracuse, Rochester, just is coming to ModelPoetry.com to see what's really happening in the Finger Lakes. So we wanted to tell you about Twisted Pizza in Geneva, New York. Their pizza is so delicious. Just check it out. And thank you to Walgreens for supporting the outreach of ModelPoetry.com. And guys, you know how ModelPoetry.com is about natural and organic products. Try the nice line of products at Walgreens. They have instant oatmeal, cashews, honey that are natural. Try them at Walgreens. Okay, guys, back to the high notes. Okay, here are the rest of the high notes.